You know that feeling when your curls start looking, well, tired? By day 4, my hair had completely lost its bounce. The curls were stretched out, lifeless. Basically, they were begging for a reset. So I decided to test something that could change everything about how we refresh curly hair. A flaxseed gel routine, but with a twist. No boiling, no standing over a pot, just nutrient rich flaxseed water that does all the work for you. Let me show you what happened. Traditionally, curly bloggers have taught us to boil seeds to extract the gel, and sure, it works. But let's be honest, it takes effort. And when life is busy, even a 2-minute task can feel like too much. I get it. So, when I saw a comment online about a no boil method, my curiosity went into overdrive. I had to try it. I took 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, mixed them into a glass of water, and let them sit in the fridge for a couple of days. When I checked back, the water had turned deep brown, almost like tea. That meant the flax seeds had released all their goodness into the liquid without heat. Now, let's get a little nerdy for a second. Boiling flax seeds thickens the gel by breaking down the outer shell faster, releasing mucilage, which gives us that slimy, gooey texture we all love. But cold soaking flax seeds extracts a different kind of magic. Instead of focusing on gel texture, it pulls out more nutrients like omega 3, proteins, B vitamins, which are incredible for strengthening curls and reviving curl pattern. So technically, this isn't a gel. It's nutrient rich flaxseed water, a lightweight, protein packed refresh spray. And that got me thinking, could this bring back my curls without buildup or heaviness? Only one way to find out. I started by applying it the way I normally would, with praying hands. Big mistake. It was too slow. My curls needed a full reset, not a polite pat down. If I were in the bathroom, I'd just pour it all over my head and drench my hair completely. But since I was filming in my living room and didn't want it to turn into flaxseed flood zone, I took my time. Now you might be wondering, Liz, why not just put it in a spray bottle? Oh, trust me, I thought about it. But if you've ever put anything other than plain water in a spray bottle, you know the struggle. The nozzle gets clogged, the spray stops working, and suddenly, instead of a fine mist, you're standing there with a bottle that spits out one sad droplet at a time. I don't have patience for that. Then I got to the front of my hair, the part with my grays. Gray hair is drier than the rest, and I could tell that just slightly applying it wasn't going to cut it. So I did something bold. I poured the flaxseed water directly onto my hair, and immediately it absorbed. My curls drank it up like they've been stranded in the desert. That gave me the courage to try it on the rest of my head, one section at a time. I kept pouring and scrunching, making sure my hair was fully saturated. And here's the moment of truth. Before, my curls were flat, stretched out, and dull. After, they snapped back, defined and bouncy without the heavy feeling of a traditional gel. The flaxseed water refreshed my curls without weighing them down, and the plant proteins gave them just enough structure to hold their pattern. Now, would I replace the usual refresh routine with this every time? Probably not. But for days that I want light, nourishing refresh that still holds curl definition, even if it's just for a day, this is a game changer. So, what do you think? Would you try this no boil flaxseed refresh? Or are you sticking to the classic gel method? Let me know in the comments. I want to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe for more curly hair practical tips.
I wish that I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song